Good day, Sir Sam. Our topic is all about the managing people in sport organization, strategic human resources management. Introduction. This section introduces the concept of HRM or human resources management with a historic overview emphasize contemporary HRM techniques for increasing performance, particularly in the service sector. It's also mentioned by issue related to managing paid staff of volunteers. Objective. The objective section outlines the goals of the chapter. Identify the unique challenges of managing people in sport organization. Understand the general concept of HRM and its historic evolution. Identify key HR or human resources issue affecting sport organization. How the HRM perspective affects HR policies and practice. How affect HRM contribute to the sustainable of sport organization. Core value ay core principle. This section highlight the core principle of managing people in the sport organization. Dual focus. This principle emphasizes balancing the needs and goal of the both organization and the individual athletes or staff member. It's recognized that success depends on both collective achievement and individual well-being. For example, a sport team might have a goal of winning a champion or organization goal, but the management also focus and ensuring the athletes have access to proper training, nutrition, and mental health support. Individual well-being. Another example is the organization focused on marketing campaign to improve revenue while also ensuring fair compensation and benefits for all employees. Athlete-centric approach. This principle prioritizes the needs, development, well-being of athletes. It's involved creating an environment to support their growth and both athletes and individual. For example, a coach who use an athlete-centric approach with tailored training program to suit each athlete individual strength, weakness, and a goal, rather than using a one-size-fits-all approach. This could also involve providing resources for academic support, career, counseling, and personal development. Holistic management. Holistic management consider all aspects of the individual life, including their physical, mental, emotional, and social well-being. It recognizes that aspects are interconnected, can impact performance. For example, a sport organization that embrace holistic management might offer programs that address stress management, sleep hygiene, and healthy relationship. In additional to physical training, and nutrition. The This approach organized that an athlete performance is influenced by their overall well-being. For the next, dynamic and adaptive. For uh, I will explain. This principle emphasizes the need for flexibility and adaptability in managing people given the constantly changing environment of the sport organization. It's involved being able to respond effectively to new challenge, trends, and opportunity. For example, a sport team that a dynamic of adapted might adjust its training strategy based on new research in sport science or change in the competitive landscape. It might also be willing to experiment with a new technologies or approach to improve performance. Furthermore, involves creating a culture where the staff and athlete are encouraged to embrace change, learn new learn new skill, and take on new challenges. The overall them explore how managing individual within a sport organization it is unique and complex, requiring a deep understanding the specific dynamic inherent in the sport.
The shift from HRM to SHRM, traditional HRM, a follower of strategic, Hartford model emphasized aligning HR practice with the organizational strategic direction and environment focus on integration, positive culture, and alignment of employees' behavior with strategy. Strategic Human Resources Management, or SHRM, a sharper of strategy. View human resources as a competitive advantage, actively contribute to and help define strategic decision. So, the shift from HRM to SHRM means HR moved to administrative tasks to become a strategic partner. Aligning with business goals, SHRM link HR practice like recruitment and training directly with organizational strategy to, to drive performance, competitive advantage, and employees' engagement. Key concept and structure. Understanding SHRM required knowledge and strategy management theories. Resolve based view, or RBV, a core theory that justify treating HRM as a strategic function. Strategy analysis tools will be described. The SHRM model specific framework for lining HR to organizational goals. SHRM and performs this model connect SHRM to sport organization performance and ultimate goals. It to use human capital effectively and gain an edge overall competitor. SHRM involve aligning HR practice with business strategy. To enhance organizational performance, key elements include alignment, HR aligned with business goal, strategies, a strategic partnership, HR as a business partner, human capital, valuing employees as asset, HR practice like recruitment, training, and rewards, HR role, strategic partner change, agents, and etc. HRM technology and trends. The use of technology and HRM transform how HR function are performed. Emerging trends such as artificial intelligence, data analysis, and remote work tools are also reshaping HR practice. These are the example. We have four example. Number one, applicant tracking system. Second, HR analytic tools employees data. Third, employee self-service portal. HR portal let employees view payslip. Video interview platform. Zoom for virtual interview. So those are the examples of HRM technologies and trends. HRM technologies and trends also help um, perform or transform function of HRM. It also help the HRM to work more easily because of technology. It also help the employees to work more faster because they have the tools of or using of technology.
So, IMG is a global sports and entertainment company operating in highly competitive Asian markets such as Korea and Japan. Its success comes from its strong international presence, extensive experience, and ability to adapt the different cultural and business environment. The IMG case in Korea illustrates how strategic human resources management works in practice. The company aligns its human resource strategies with its business objectives by hiring skilled professionals, developing talent, and managing employees effectively. This strategic management approach to human resources helps the IMG maintain competitiveness, improve performance, and achieve long-term success in the global sports and entertainment industry. The company's success is a competitive Japanese market depends on attracting and retaining highly skilled employees. This is achieved by offering competitive compensation and benefits, which help build employees' commitment and loyalty. The case study emphasizes placing the right people in the right roles, particularly in key areas such as sales, marketing, and graphic designs. Staffing decisions are carefully made through collaboration between HR manager and line managers. Employees are treated as valuable assets that competitors cannot easily copy, reflecting on resource-based view of strategic human resource management. The company focuses on a high commitment work system to achieve strong performance. So the Portents 5 Forces is a framework used to analyze industry competitions and identify sources of competitive advancement. It examines industry revival, which refers to the level of competition among existing firms. Barriers to entry describe how difficult it is for new companies to enter the industry. Buyer power focuses on customers' ability to influence prices and choices, while supplier power looks at how much control suppliers have over costs and resources. Lastly, the threat of substitutes consider the availability of the alternative products or services. This helps organizations understand market pressures on a developed strategy to remain competitive. So, gaining a competitive edge means outperforming rivals by delivering greater value to customers. One fundamental way to achieve this is through operational effectiveness. This involves performing similar activities better than competitors by improving efficiency, quality, speed, and cost control. Companies that are operationally effective use best practices, advanced technology, and skilled employees to reduce waste and enhance productivity. By doing the same activities more efficiently, organizations can offer lower prices or better quality products and services. Although operational effectiveness alone may not ensure long-term advancement, it is essential for maintaining competitiveness and meeting industry standards.